Y'all, my hand is cramping up. This is so ghetto. Oh my god, I look crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Flawlessfacejay here. So today's video, I wanted to do something very fun. I didn't record over the weekend. I'm like, what's something that I can do pretty quick, edit pretty quick, and upload pretty quick? And I'm like, maybe I should do a 10-minute makeup challenge. So that's what I'm going to do today. I was going to do the 5-minute one, but I just feel like me personally, I just feel like I'm not going to be able to get anything done in 5 minutes, like not even my brows, because my brows take 15 minutes alone. So I'm like, let me do a 10-minute makeup challenge to see how much I can get done. I have very high hopes for myself. I feel like I can do it. I know the only thing that's gonna take the most time is my brows and my lashes, because I struggle with lashes on a day-to-day basis to this day, and I've been doing makeup for a long time, let me tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in a second. I have my phone on my ring light right here, just so I can see the time that it's taking me. And I also have everything in front of me here because it's easier for me to just not to have to look through stuff, because that takes up more time. I already did moisturize my face, but I'm not going to prime my face. I'm going to prime it during the challenge. So I'm getting so nervous, so I am going to press start. I'm so scared now, like I'm so scared. And I am going to press start now. Okay, it's going. Okay, y'all, so my brows literally take up the most time, but I'm not gonna try to make these girls twin sisters and none of that. I'm just gonna try to make them look nice. That's it. Because most of the time, I don't know, it takes me a while to do these brows. There we go. We just gonna go with the flow with these brows. We're not gonna stress. Over them too much, just because I told you that my brows take the longest. And next thing you know, I look up and had 2 minutes left, because y'all don't know how time flies. Shoot, I don't even know how time flies until I look up to see how long it's been since I started, or how much time I have left. I mean, I'm really just rambling. Y'all, oh my god, I forgot to put my primer on already. See? Put my mirror right here. That's 2 minutes. 2 minutes already. I have 18 minutes. 18 minutes and 18. I got 8 minutes and 8 seconds left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So I guess I'm not gonna prime. I don't know. Oop. Let me hurry up. Press the prime. Oh my god. 7 minutes. I got this. I got this, y'all. I got this, okay? I got this. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I got primer on my eyebrow. Okay. I got it. Okay. I got 7 minutes. I got this. Y'all, oh my god, 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I need to do the top of my brows. Oh, I'm so stuck. Six minutes, 30 seconds. Brows done, y'all. I got this. It only take me 2 seconds to do the rest of my face. Like, I got 6 minutes left. Let me hurry up and blend that out. Whew. Okay. Okay. Foundation. Boom. I should have used some. I got 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. 5 freaking minutes. How? What the heck? Too. Whew. Y'all, what the heck? I got 4 minutes. Whew. Concealer, boom. Four minutes, 25 seconds. Boom. Okay. I got 3 minutes, y'all. Let me take my sound down. 3 minutes, 49 seconds. Y'all, my hand is cramping up. This is so good. Oh my god, I look crazy. 3:32. Why everybody want to call me while I'm filming? That's so crazy. Don't nobody call me. 3:92. Ooh, why is this stuff on my face? Oh my god. What the heck? Okay. 3:10. I got this. I got this. In the bag, y'all. I need to go in the lighting though. I don't play. Like that. Okay. 3 minutes. Woo! I got 3 minutes. I got 3 minutes. Ooh. I got 3 minutes. Come on, girl. You got this. 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 Ooh, 250. Oh. 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 Okay. I shouldn't have put that extra concealer on, but I got this. 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 Okay. Ooh. Ooh. My sponge. 235. Oh my god, y'all. What the heck? Okay. 235. Let me set my face. 224. Oh shit. Oh, excuse my French, y'all. Oh my god. 219. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, 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 whatever. Contour. Whoo. Contour, 211. Okay, I got this. Okay. 205. Oh, 203. Okay. Okay. I got this. Ooh, 157. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, blush, boom, blush, lips. Okay. Lips. Oh. I got 141. Oh my gosh. What is this? That's the wrong one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I had everything out. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? No. Okay, I'm fine. I mean 121. Oh my god. What am I doing? I need highlight. Oh my god. Where's my highlighter brush? Where's my highlighter brush? It fell. I got 1 minute. I got it. I got 1 minute. Oh my god. Oh my god, everything falling. I got 54 seconds. Okay, let's spray. Let's spray. Okay, lips. 44 seconds. 35 seconds, oh my god. I got 25 seconds. Can I do line? Should I do line? I don't know, y'all. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna do liner. 18 seconds. Oh, I got 9 seconds. 6. Oh my god. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, so this is this is what I have accomplished. Like, don't get me wrong, if I would have been able to finish my liner, it would have been halfway decent, but I did get my liner good on that eye, for real. Like, I got it real good. Well, not real good, but I got it good in a few seconds. Don't look half bad. Yeah, so this is what I got in 10 minutes. Don't mind my baby hairs, they sticking all up. So yes, that is the 10-minute challenge. So let me fix my face and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look from my 10-minute makeup challenge. The only thing that I did was finish adding my liner on this eye and threw on some lashes real quick, and that's it. For the most part, this is the look that I got coming from the 10-minute makeup challenge. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Also drop a comment down below if you want to see some other challenge videos, or let me know what other type of videos y'all would like to see coming from me. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.